How to fine-tune Goku AI to generate more realistic images with just a few simple adjustments. Let's get started. Open your web browsing application. You have to type Goku AI in the search bar and it will get you to this platform. To fine-tune the AI, the first option is to enter a detailed prompt. For realistic images, be highly descriptive in your prompt. Secondly, adjust image parameters. Fine-tune settings like detail level, depth and contrast, refinement passes. And let Goku AI create the image. If it needs improvement, tweak the settings and rerun the generation until it looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to fine-tune Goku AI for ultra-realistic images. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.